Certificate of Appreciation proudly present to Nueva Ecija Knights Eagles Club. In recognition of your generous and contribution to Nueva Ecija Loving Angels for children that have special needs with their families. We are grateful for the sponsorship and assistance you have given. In appreciation of your support and for your interest in giving the needs of these special children, we take privilege in presenting the certificate to acknowledge your commitment and generosity to support our mission that made a lasting impact of the lives of those we serve. Thank you for being part of our group. Thank you so much po, Nueva Ecija Knights Eagles Club. Mabuhay po!